Hey my loves, welcome to our channel. I'm Muthakumar N, and today we're diving into achieving that gorgeous, thick, and healthy hair we all dream of. We're talking about incredible DIY remedies you can whip up in your own kitchen. Get ready to transform your hair game with 5 amazing hair masks that help thicken your hair, stop hair loss, and kickstart growth. These are tried and true recipes packed with natural goodness. Let's learn and grow together. First up, the egg and olive oil mask. This simple yet effective mask can transform your hair care routine. This mask is a game changer for adding thickness and combating hair fall. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost their hair's volume and strength. Eggs are packed with protein, strengthening the hair shaft and repairing damage. They also add a natural shine to your hair. Olive oil is an incredible natural conditioner, deeply moisturizing your hair and scalp. It helps to reduce dandruff and adds a beautiful luster. You'll need 1 or 2 whole eggs and 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Make sure the ingredients are fresh for the best results. Whisk the eggs until frothy, then slowly drizzle in the olive oil. This ensures the mixture is well blended and ready to apply. Apply to dry or slightly damp hair, from roots to tips, and massage your scalp. This helps to stimulate blood flow and enhance absorption. Pile your hair up and cover with a shower cap or warm towel. This creates a warm environment that helps the mask penetrate deeper. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Use this time to relax and let the mask work its magic. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water, then shampoo and condition. Avoid hot water as it can cook the egg and make it difficult to remove. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Regular use will ensure your hair remains healthy and thick. Consistency is key, and you'll see your hair feeling stronger and looking thicker in no time. Enjoy your luscious, voluminous locks. Next, the banana and honey mask. Perfect for longer, stronger hair. Bananas are loaded with potassium, natural oils, and vitamins. Honey attracts and retains moisture. You'll need 1 ripe banana and 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Mash the banana until smooth, then stir in the honey. Apply to clean, slightly damp hair, focusing on the ends. Massage into your scalp to stimulate blood flow. Cover with a shower cap and let sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, then shampoo and condition. For volume and shine, try the avocado and coconut oil mask. This natural remedy is perfect for enhancing your hair's health and appearance. Avocados are rich in vitamins and healthy fats, deeply moisturizing your hair. They also contain biotin, essential for hair growth and strength. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and reducing protein loss. Mash half to 1 whole ripe avocado, then mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Apply to dry or slightly damp hair from scalp to ends. Ensure every strand is coated. Cover with a shower cap or warm towel and let sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, then shampoo and condition. Use this mask weekly for best results. Your hair will be softer, shinier, and more manageable. Enjoy the natural beauty boost. For optimal scalp health, try the yogurt and aloe vera mask. This natural remedy is perfect for nourishing your hair and promoting growth. Yogurt exfoliates the scalp, effectively removing dead skin cells and product buildup. Aloe vera moisturizes and soothes inflammation, reducing scalp irritation. You'll need 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix until smooth, ensuring a consistent texture for easy application. Apply to dry or damp hair, focusing on the scalp. Cover with a shower cap and let sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, then shampoo and condition as usual. Your scalp will feel refreshed and your hair will be softer, shinier, and more vibrant. Finally, the fenugreek and yogurt mask for combating hair fall. Fenugreek seeds are packed with protein, nicotinic acid, and lecithin. Yogurt conditions the hair and soothes the scalp. Grind soaked seeds into a paste and mix with yogurt. Apply to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Rinse thoroughly, then shampoo and condition. Your hair will be stronger, shinier, and less prone to breakage. So there you have it, 5 incredible DIY hair masks for thicker, stronger, and more luscious hair. Try these home remedies and incorporate them into your routine regularly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and DIY remedies.